Alis mo dyan.
Guys, nawawala yung plate ko. Ay, nawawala yung ladybug. Ay, baliktad ba to? Baliktad ba? Guys, comment nyo kung kung ito ba tama o ito mali. Ito ata. Guys, nawawala yung ladybug.
Ah, dito yung ladybug.
Ay, ano daw? Yung balas. Wala naman eh. Mas na yung ladybug. Guys, click the subscribe button. My only sunshine. Ito. You make me happy. Things I am sad. But how much I love you. Please don't take. Hindi ko alam. Please don't take my sunshine away. Sabi ni Jared. Wala.
Magalaw. May kumagalaw doon.
Saan? Ayun. Kikita namin. Guys, comment yung part 2 ha. Wait lang. Paano?
Iya mo.